Okay, Bismillah. Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at today dividing fractions of my class here. Last week we looked at multiplying fractions. What you'll find here with the rules I've written down on the side that the rules are identical, nearly word for word for what we did last week. When we divide fractions, we don't actually ever divide. The dividing question gets converted into a times question. Now, so if you look at the rules, I've colored them. So we have rule number 1. This one here, rule number 1, change all mixed fractions top heavy. That's multiplying rule. Rule number 2, try to cancel diagonally or vertically whenever horizontally, same as multiplying. Now multiply top numbers and bottom numbers, same as multiplying. Change any mixed top heavy back into mixed and cancel again possible. So what we're doing today is identical to what we done last week, blow for blow, but we've got one extra step. That extra step is step 1.5, which I've called 1.5 because it's in between step 1 and step 2. So everything is the same as what we did last week. We do everything the same, but we're going to insert one extra little step, and that's it. Once we've done that step, it's back to business as usual. We can end up doing multiplying instead. So let's have a look at this example to put into context. So here first of all, we have 4 and 4/5 divided by 5 and a third. So, Layla, what does step 1 say? So here's my first mixed fraction. I'm going to start from the bottom 5. I'm going to multiply and then add. So Yusuf, 5 down by 4, add 4 will give us a total of
24.
24 over
5.
5. Okay, now, Ruqayya, turn this fraction into a mixed fraction, please. So into a top heavy fraction. 3 down by 5, you mean, because you start at the 3. Even
by 5 is 15, add 1 is 16.
Okay, so that gives 16. Are we happy with that?
Yeah.
Now here comes step 1.5. Step 1.5 says turn the second fraction upside down. So we're going to do this. And we're going to turn the divide sign into times sign. So the division question has been very quickly converted into a. So we've changed the division question into a times question. So 16 over 3 becomes 3 over 16. We turn the second fraction upside down. Literally, that's what it means. The top goes to the bottom and the bottom goes to the top. Let's copy the rest of the question down as it was. So 24 over 5. Does that change, Ali?
No, same.
Yeah.
No. It doesn't. No. The first part of the question doesn't change. Now, we've done step 1. We've done the special step 1.5. Now we're back to business as usual. Now we're going to do step 2, step 3, and step 4. Okay, Fatima, lead me through step 2, please.
Cancel diagonal.
Okay, which diagonal are you thinking about? Okay, now, these two here vertically can't cancel. Here, oops. Just 1 second. You can't cancel horizontal anyway. What are you talking about? 3 and 16, you can't cancel those two. They don't have any common factors, apart from 1. Now, what about diagonally, this one here? No. 3 and 5, both prime numbers. How about this way? Yes.
Where?
You can cancel this diagonal. Right. Okay, right. Let's have Ruqayya. Ruqayya, what can we divide 24 and 16 by? What is the highest common factor of 24 and 16?
You divide by 4.
4 is a common factor, but it's not the highest one. You can't divide by 6 because 16 won't over 8. So the highest common factor for 24 and 16 will give us 8. So 24 divided by 8 will give me
3.
and 16 divided by 8 will give me 2. Now what do we do? So we've done step 1, step 1.5. We've done step 2, we can't cancel anymore. What's the next step? Step number? What's the next step after step number 2?
3.
What's step number 3?
Now the top numbers together, then the bottom one.
What's the top numbers?
3 times 3 and
Here's the 3, here's the 3. The bottom numbers are?
5 times bottom by 2.
So 3 times by 3 will give us?
9 over 10.
Oops. Okay. You can put that there if you like. 9 over 10. Now, when we look at this answer is called a proper fraction. because the top number is smaller than the bottom number. The question says, the rule 4 says change any top heavy fraction. Is this top heavy?
No.
So it's not.
No.
Because it's not top heavy, so the rule number 4 we ignore it. But we have to do part of it. We see if we can cancel again if possible. Can we cancel 9 over 10?
No.
No.
No. They don't share any common factors apart from one, which is, I call it the useless common factor, because when you divide by 1, they haven't. So what's our final answer?
9 tenths.
9 tenths. Okay, are we happy with that?
Yeah, but that
Okay, I'm going to stop this video here and do a new video for the next question. So that's our introductory to one question with the video.